Hello viewers, good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your pro guide at Shavandi. Video is sponsored by Touch Connect, which is an application for undergraduate, polytechnic, college of education, and university students. Kindly go to your Play Store, search for Touch Connect for you to get exciting and educative videos in all courses. So today we shall be looking at a topic in chemistry which is known as chemical equilibrium. We'll explain some terminologies we need to know under the topic and then move on to solving some calculation aspects of the topic. Um, Chemical equilibrium is denoted as K subscript EQ. So anywhere you see this, anywhere you come across K subscript EQ stands for chemical equilibrium. Reactions of reactants goes in forward and backward reaction at the same time and rate. That is what chemical equilibrium is all about. So during a chemical reaction, the forward and the backward reactions are the same. Once we observe that the forward and backward reaction are the same, it means that that reaction has gotten to its chemical equilibrium. So in such situation, we say that both the reactant and the product are constant. So let's look at a simple chemical reaction to explain the chemical equilibrium for more understanding. Let's say we have a chemical reaction, small a capital A plus small b capital B. So this is the reactant. So we have the product. So there's going to be a forward and backward reaction here. So we have small c capital C plus small d capital D. So this is a chemical reaction. So for us to write the chemical equilibrium of this reaction, so the chemical equilibrium of this reaction becomes, we go to the product first. So it's going to be the product over the reactant. So it's going to be the capital C raised to the power of, here, these small letters here stand for the coefficient of each element, okay, or each compound in the reaction we have. So here, the compound here, which is C, all raised to the power of the coefficient, which raised to the power small letter C, multiplied by the compound here, D, raised to the power of the coefficient, which is small letter d, all divided by, now we go to the reactant side. This is going to be capital A raised to the power of the coefficient, which is A, multiplied by capital B raised to the power of small b, which is the coefficient. So from this chemical reaction now, this is the chemical equilibrium of this reaction. Okay, so whenever we are solving any mathematical problem under chemical equilibrium, this is the format we follow to solve any questions that we get answers correctly. Under chemical equilibrium, there is a terminology that is known as heterogeneous reaction. Heterogeneous reaction simply means the products and the reactants in that reaction are in more than one state. So the state can be either liquid, it can be solid, or it can be aqueous. So when we have a chemical reaction and we observe that the reactant and the products are in different states, then it means that that reaction is a heterogeneous reaction. And we have questions to solve under that, okay? So the way we write the chemical equilibrium for heterogeneous reaction is different, okay? So we need to note that the concentration of solid and liquid reactants or products are not included in the equation for chemical equilibrium. Let's start solving some mathematical questions.